All right, last but not least, let's take a look at how we can use the confidence intervals to make decisions. So example 3, do they need to step it up? In the preceding examples, we learned that the 95% confidence interval for the true mean number of steps taken per day for all employees at the large company is 4547 to 8473. Recent health guidelines suggest that people aim for 10,000 steps per day. Is there convincing evidence that the employees of this company are not meeting the guideline on average? Explain. So here is the idea, right? We think that in this company, the true mean number of steps they take is somewhere in this interval. Well, this guideline, health guideline, says that we should be getting 10,000 steps per day. Well, is 10,000 in this interval? No. Now, if all of these numbers were bigger than 10,000, we would be saying, hey, this company's doing awesome. On average, they're doing way more than 10,000 steps per day. But guess what? All of these numbers are less than 10,000. We think that this company is actually falling short of this 10,000 step guideline. So we're going to mention two things. Number one, we're going to compare how this target number compares to our interval, whether it falls in the interval or whether our interval is more than or whether it is less than this number. And then we're going to say what we think, convincing evidence or not. Okay. So I'm going to say that all values in the interval are less than 10,000. Again, if this value fell in the interval, I would say that the value blah, blah, blah falls in the interval from blank to blank, right? Okay. All values in the interval are less than 10,000. Because this is the case, we have convincing evidence. There is. So the question is there convincing evidence that the employees are not meeting their goal? Well, yes, there is, because these numbers are all less than 10,000, and we expect the true value to be in that interval somewhere. There is convincing evidence that the employees, and I'm just going to restate this, that the employees of this company are not meeting the guideline on average. So there is convincing evidence that the employees of this company are not meeting the guideline on average. So again, had the 10,000 been in the interval, or had all of these values been more than 10,000, my second sentence would say there is not convincing evidence that the employees of this company are not meeting the guidelines, right? Not. Okay, there you go. Hopefully that helps, and you are able to do your Section 7.1 homework. Best of luck. If you have any questions, let me know.